Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In Not in today's newspaper because today it's with Sunday. It's the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, June the 4th, 2022. Today it's Sunday, June the 5th. Yes, the 5th. 2022. We have two puzzles left. The Two Stars Sudoku. This one, I've just solved this in a minute ago. So we have a tectonic and a Sudoku with 2 stars left. And I will continue with this one. Sudoku with 2 stars. Number 4655. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. For 26 printed digits, a 2-star Sudoku, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. All right. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. All right, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. All right, 4, 4. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Let me choose another digit. How about? Let me see. Yeah. The 2 in the first column, the 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Oh, right. Okay. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 2 should be here. Oh, right. I cannot continue with the 2 now. Same like the 4. Let me choose another digit. How about? Yeah. I'm scanning. All right. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Oh, wait. Okay. Then 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, the 8 in this third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. 3, 5, 9. Okay, 5, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. Here, 7 in the last row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9 are left. Well, need to wait. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Okay, what? I believe. Let me see. We have a pair. 2 and a 7 in this row. 2 and a 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 3 places left for the 2 and a 7 goes in these 3 boxes. But we have also a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in that box. So the 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Alright. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. We see here another 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. Alright, 9, 5, 6. Okay. 6, 3, 8. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. This box should be 6. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. Then two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column. So no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. Alright, 5, 5. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 9 should be there. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. Okay. Let me see. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 there. No 5 here. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. One box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. Then. Let me see. Two missing numbers in the third row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. One box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only place left for the 4 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7. Oh, now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 and goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, I'm very well pleased with the time, because The indication was 15 to 20 minutes. Well, is this 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Yes, tectonic with 1 star. And tomorrow I will do the additional of the Friday edition. Maybe, I cannot promise you, maybe I will do a samurai Sudoku. We will see, we will see. I cannot promise you. Until then, bye-bye for now.